In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Minecraft gift card on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to redeem a Minecraft gift card and access the content on your Nintendo Switch. You will notice that I am doing this process through a web browser on the Minecraft website and not the Switch. This is because to properly redeem a Minecraft gift card, you have to do it either through the Microsoft website or the Minecraft website. To my knowledge, you will not be able to redeem a Minecraft gift card directly on your Nintendo Switch. So if you wish to follow along, access a web browser on your computer or your phone and go to minecraft.net. As you might be aware, you have to use a Microsoft account to play Minecraft on all consoles. So all that you have to do on this website is sign into the same Microsoft account that you use to play Minecraft. Once you are signed into that Microsoft account, your name should be displayed here. You will be able to see your profile, but all you have to do is click redeem at the top right corner of the screen. If you click get Minecraft, you can also choose the option to redeem it here. But I recommend that you just select redeem at the top right corner of the screen instead. Immediately upon clicking redeem, you will be redirected to this page where you can use your Minecraft gift card. You will notice that you have plenty of options to choose from. You can redeem the full game for Java and Bedrock, you can redeem Minecraft Legends, Realms, etc. For this video, all that you have to do is find the specific one that you wish to use. I'm going to pretend that I bought some Minecoins, so if that's the case for you, just find Minecoins or whatever else you need and you will be able to enter the code here. Once you have the code properly entered, just go ahead and click submit. You will redeem these rewards to a Microsoft account like I said previously, so it's very important that you are signed into the correct Microsoft account where you want to receive your rewards. As long as you are able to redeem them into the same Microsoft account, you will be good to go and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish. They are going to work for various different redemption types. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Minecraft gift card on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.